Open the Tuya app and navigate to the DC300 device. Select Member Manage. Tap Ordinary Member, then click the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. The Add User screen will be displayed. Enter the required user information. In the User Account field, enter valid mobile phone number or email address. Ensure that the Administrator option is unchecked, as you are creating a standard user account. For the region field, you can leave the default setting if appropriate. Once all details have been entered, tap Next Step in the top right corner of the screen. On the next screen, you can configure the effective time settings to determine when the user is permitted access. Under the Card section, tap the plus icon. On the following screen, tap Start Ad at the bottom of the page. You will now have 60 seconds to present the FOB to the DC300 keypad. Once the FOB has been successfully scanned, a confirmation message will appear within the app. You can then assign a descriptive name to the FOB for easier identification and management. Exit the Tuya app and test the FOB at the door station to confirm that access has been granted successfully. Please note the keypad must be online and connected to the internet before attempting to add users through the Tuya app.